Hello everyone, this is Farhan and this is the day 7 of my challenge. And today I'm gonna talk about something that I have not decided yet. But in video we will discuss something today. So let's talk about something our institute, our center, the Smart Spoken English Institute. So as you can see that our Smart Spoken English Institute is a very good you can say center. It is so good actually. The center, the where we study, that room, like there is a type of kind of flat, 2 BHK flat. There are 2 rooms and a kitchen and a immaculate bathroom. So and yeah, one thing that recently our class has become air conditioned. So like our honorable teacher Mr. Buddhadev Sharkar has installed AC. However, at the beginning, one day we were able to use the AC. We used the AC only for one day. Then after that, there was something issue. The issue was like that, like the cooling coil. Yeah, the cooling coil of the AC was burned. I don't know how, but it was burned. However, it was the new AC, brand new AC. Then after that, the technician, like the dealer who sold us the AC, that was a Voltas AC and it costed around 62,000 or something. It was 1.5 ton Voltas AC. So we suffered a lot in hot, as the temperature of the room there, that is a 2-story building, okay. And we usually our flat is on first floor, and we study at first floor. So sorry for someone interrupted me. So actually our where I was, yeah, our there is 2-story building and our flat is on first floor, okay. And we study there. So as you can see that as you can imagine that the heat directly hit the sun rays, that directly hit the roof, and we are beneath the roof, not beneath, we are under the roof. So that's why it gets much hot. So that's why our teacher has to install, I'm not gonna say again teacher, Buddhadev Sharkar has to install that AC. So I felt so sorrow for him also, that man, like Buddhadev Sharkar, he almost spent his 62,000 rupees. Then again after that he was not able to use that AC. Yeah, that is another matter, that now he has filed a case against that dealer, as there was no policy. There was the policy that they had to fix this problem in 3 days. Between 3 days they had to fix, but they fixed that problem over 20 days. Like they took time. The duration was to fix the AC was 20 plus days, okay. We have not I have not remembered that how many days were there, but one thing that I'm damn sure that it was more than 20 days. So actually we suffered a lot. It was a great problem for us. And right after that, after might be 22 days, the inspection, those people who install the AC, they came, checked, and then after that they replaced the AC. They have given another AC that is brand new, but they had to fix it in between 2 to 3 days, but they didn't. Actually, here you can see the audacity level of them, that one man is continuously calling him that in Bengali we say, Dada, when would you fix my AC? When, and in 3 times in a week, technicians are coming at your home. They are visiting and checking your AC indoor and outdoor. Then again after that they are saying that okay, we will fix it tomorrow, we will fix it on Sunday, we will fix it on Thursday. So this is not a good thing. Their policy is so bad, our experience was so bad. I suggested him that you should purchase this AC from online, but he refused. So I have no objection on it, as it was his choice. I'm not paying for that AC. He's obviously he's paying that, so that would be his choice. So that was the problem we suffered, and now the situation is so good. Like now everything is fine, and we are able to use the AC. We are using the AC and enjoying. Like it is making cool now. Studying in Smart Spoken English Institute has become much easier. Before installing the AC, it was a bit hard. Why? Because we were having to study in heat environment. It was so hot. So but after installing the AC, now it like feels like I don't want to go anywhere. As usually I want to say that I go in institute not just for studying, for enjoyment also. Why? Because we study, we do some activity. After study we do, like first we have to deliver the topic, then right after that we have to do translation. Then between 10 to 15 minutes, like not every day, but I'm talking about that translation topic is must, okay, but the translation is not every day. Like sometimes we do other activities also, we learn idioms, we learn any other things. So but every day after translation, when our class was about to end, then before that duration, like for 15 minutes we do something, like someone is passing jokes, someone is doing something that is totally interesting, that is like it, we enjoy a lot in the class. And now you can see that I'm here sitting a video, speaking fluently. However, I have some pauses because I'm also a learner and I'm learning. But before 1 year, I didn't know to make a sentence. I'm not joking, literally. I didn't know how to make a sentence, but nowadays I'm able to write a paragraph, write a story, write a poem, like every single thing I can do. Before that I had fear with English, that what the hell is this man, where from has it come, where from did it come, like what is this language, I cannot understand anything. But what I did, nowadays I also don't study. But one thing that some people say that it is my negative side or negative point, but some people say this is my positive point, plus points, like good side. That is, I'm too much talkative, okay, and I don't think so being talkative is a bad thing, okay. Being talkative is not a good thing, I don't think so. Some so-called people, like they are too much disciplined in their life. I'm also disciplined, I also follow discipline, I do many works, okay, which is essential for me. But sometimes like it happens, okay. So actually some people say that he is too much talkative, that's not good, as my voice is also a bit loud. So like voice issues I can manage, okay, I can speak calm and normally I speak, my voice is loud, but sometimes I every time I try to manage it. But talkativeness, that is it is in my personality, you cannot change it. So but what I have seen yet, Whomever I have met, they always appreciated me. I'm talking about the 2% people. I don't think so. They are too much disciplined in their life. They're just jealous. That's why they deliver these type of things to me. That why do you talk too much? This, that. Hell yeah, I don't care. But 98% people, they always appreciate me. That Farhan, your talkativeness, this habit, it entertain us. It also teaches us how. Whenever I talk, I try to use some vocabs, conjunction, idioms. By listening me, people understand, people learn. So I don't think so that is a very bad thing. If you anyone still have any problem, so I would love to say that off. So here it is. This was the day 7. Yeah, it was the day 7. And nowadays I'm also a bit busy as our kind of festival is there, so I'm not able to upload, like share the video. I'm uploading all those videos, but I'm not able to upload like share this video, those videos in the group. But now today I just how or somehow I recalled it, I in my mind that oh man, I have to post a video also. I think if I wouldn't have reminded or recalled it in my mind that I have to upload it, so today I might not be able to post the video. So all over, this is almost, let me check, okay, 26 past 12, and now we are going to enjoy our night, some horror movies, as tomorrow is Sunday. So enjoy your Sunday, enjoy your night. Okay, I forget, you are single, so you cannot enjoy. So just I want to say good night. Thank you for watching my video. I don't want like, I don't want share, just do comment that did you like my video. Just I don't want anything.